These Central and South American mammals are known for their fondness for sweet treats. Their primary food source is fruits and insects, with occasional honey, ants and termites, similar to true anteaters, honey and nectar accessed by their long tongues. Honey and nectar accessed by their long tongues. While not nocturnal creatures, Kinkajous are most active during twilight hours, dawn and dusk, midday when the sun is at its peak, throughout the night, seeking shelter during the day. Twilight hours, dawn and dusk. Kinkajous are social animals and often live in groups of solitary individuals or mated pairs, small family groups of parents and offspring, large colonies with complex social hierarchies. Small family groups of parents and offspring. Kinkajous play a vital role in rainforest ecosystems by preying on insects that damage trees and vegetation, dispersing the seeds of fruits they consume, aiding plant growth, providing food for larger predators through their vulnerable nature. Preying on insects that damage trees and vegetation. The name Kinkajou translates to nocturnal hunter with sharp claws, tree climber with a sweet tooth, honey thief. Honey thief. Thank you for taking the Christian Cat Corner quiz.